Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a new location in Google Maps. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Google Maps and you're gonna find this exact location. Okay, for example, this place right here in New Zealand. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. Okay, now let's say right here. Okay, just tap and hold. And then once done, you can go ahead and swipe right and add in a label. Okay, you can go ahead and add in custom name, but do keep in mind that this option right here will only give you a preview of that location, not publicly. So what you'll do if you want it to be public, just tap on back, and once you're in here, tap on the pin once more. Now you'll have the option to add a missing place. Okay, or if you want to, you can go ahead and add your business to this map as well. So add a missing place, just for example, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and give it a name. Okay, the category could be a business or what, and then the address. Make sure that you enter the correct address so that anyone that wanted to visit this specific place can just go ahead and enter it easily on their search bars. Okay, now if you want to edit the map location, if you want to pinpoint it like the real world place or location, just zoom in and place it wherever you want. Okay, and once that's done, tap on OK. Now scroll down, add in some more details, like the contact and hours opened, photos as well. And then once done, just tap on submit. And for about 24 to 48 hours, you are going to receive an email from Google. The place is accepted or rejected. And that is it. That is how you add a new location on Google Maps. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.